Doesn't feel like we're traveling at 70 miles an hour. We are.
I got 65 back here. Maybe you guys are going faster than me.
I got 69 miles an hour on my GPS. Now it's 70. 72. So how's your bike handling the wind, Don?
I haven't been in the wind very much with it, so this will probably be the first heavy winds. It was moving around quite a bit when that wind just started, so.
It was pretty windy. And with the bike being so big, I didn't know how much it cut. But then again, when you guys were driving, you were behind Matt. It seems like Matt was actually, his bike was affected more by the wind than yours. It could be. I mean, mine's got, I think, a higher center of gravity. Their weight's very low, and there's a lot of it.
Well, the blue skies ahead.
Oh, Pete, how far are we going to go to get to an exit? Well, we want an exit with gas. Uh-oh. Alright, there's an exit. Look where that lightning struck. But I didn't see no signs for gas though. It says one sign there says called it Gas City, so I'm assuming there's a place to get gas. Now we'll pull under the underpass. There's another big one.
What'd you say? Are we stopping here, or is there an exit up ahead?
It says there's an exit. I can't.
Oh.
What did it say? 1 mile? I thought it was right here. It says 1 mile. Oh, there's a sign after it. Maybe there is gas there. Did your light come on, John?
It came on, but it went back off. But
Alright. So I got. Yeah, there's gas. I see the signs now. Yeah, hopefully he gets this. Matt, you on? Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah, we need gas. Yeah. No, yeah. And rain suits, probably. Well, maybe we'll get lucky it'll blow over while we're getting gas. I think we're just going to not make it. I think I'm with you. It looks like we're just going to not make it. It's at the exit right now. But it's coming down hard.
well, you guys must be way up ahead of me because I'm barely getting wet.
Oh no, I'm just saying in front of us coming down.
I still didn't see the sign for the exit.
It's right here, but I don't see any gas stations. I don't either.
Oh. Well, you know what?
Good. Alright, I'm pulling under the underpass.
Alright. Or we could pull off the highway.
And go where? Stand in the middle of the road?
There's got to be something.
I don't see anything. You pulling over, Matt? Yes. Pulling over.
Fuck, how can you guys see?
Slow down real fast. I overshot.
You might want to do something, Bob. You're kind of hanging out there.
How far back?
Maybe Rick back. I don't know.
Can I come back a couple feet? No. Oh, like 1 foot? Tell me when I can stop. Well, hang on, that's it. I'm good. Let me try backing up here. Hang on.
Yeah, Bob, you're still too close to the road.
Move forward. So I can back up.
There you go. Careful. All right. I gotta kick. Oh, there we go.
We'll go jump on this side.